So yes, my name is Lindsay. I am a qualified level 3 swimming teacher with 11 years experience and around 6 years experience teaching babies. The way the Online Swim School works is it's an online platform that parents can access, whether that be grandparents, aunties, friends, and watch the online tutorial videos, which are short and clear, and then parents or relatives can go away and practice those skills in the pool with their baby. Swimming is my passion, and my passion is with babies. The way that they can swim under the water is incredible, and I just want to share this with everyone. I want to make swimming available for everyone. It shouldn't be an expense, and it shouldn't be one where you can't attend due to your work commitments or your schedules. This is why I created the Online Swim School. I want it to work around parent schedules. I want it to work around them.